Got a TCL smart TV with a black screen but sound still playing? You're not alone. And this video will show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Let's jump in. In most cases, the issue comes down to a failed backlight. That's the part that lights up your screen. Sometimes it's a loose internal cable, power issue, or even something as simple as a bad HDMI device. So let's start with the easiest fixes first before we get into the technical stuff. First, try a full power cycle. This simple step actually fixes the problem for a lot of users. Here's how. Turn off the TV and unplug it. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 seconds. Wait 30 minutes to let all the internal power drain out. Plug it back in and turn it on. Still black? Keep going. Now check how your TV is plugged in. If you're using a surge protector, power strip, or smart plug, unplug it. Plug your TV directly into the wall outlet. Also, try a different wall socket just to rule out any power supply issue. Next, unplug all HDMI and USB devices from the TV. Leave only the power cable connected. Now turn it on again. If the screen works now, one of your devices or cables was the problem. Clean the ports with compressed air, and test each cable one by one using different HDMI ports. Still black screen with sound? Time to check the backlight. Turn on the TV, grab your phone flashlight and shine it at the screen from up close and at an angle. Look carefully. Can you see faint images moving when you press the remote? If yes, your screen is fine, but the backlight is dead. This is the most common issue. To fix the backlight, you'll need to open up the TV, but before that, check the internal boards. Since you have to remove them to reach the backlight anyway, inspect them for loose ribbon cables, burn marks, blown components. Sometimes it's a bad power board or T-con board, not the backlight itself. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes.